today me and my dad together are going to make a blooming flower or a flower. Let's start. First, draw 2 lines down here. Oops. And draw a S. And then draw sort of a back thing. Then draw a S like that. And then a back one. And then forward and the back. And draw one more on the other side. That may be a rose, I think. It couldn't. And then draw here another line. And draw a circle. And draw another one. Oops, I accidentally drew the dot. Alright, and draw another way. It's up here. Do this. This. And another one. And I bet another one down here. And then connect another one at the top. Then draw a wave like this. And then draw something, sort of a S, a C. And then down here, draw another one like this. Then here, 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 here. Circles. Oopsies, if I do circles, I will go in, so I can't. And draw a leaf down here. And draw another leaf. I think we're almost done. But I don't know though. And then an S. I couldn't make that. I'll just leave it like this. Looks like we're done with the flower. This one's already bloomed. This one will take 1 week or something. These don't have to be anything. They're leaves. Leaves are all right. Let's color now. Alright, for this base, we'll do our own color. This is the same color. I'll use some violet. Violet's my favorite color. Alright, we're done coloring the flowers. So what we did was we colored this top, we colored this, and we colored this too. Alright, now we'll color the stem. It's dark green. I almost got my white green. Now we are done with our first color, and now we will color with our second color, light yellow green. Actually, we thought it was light green, but it's yellow green actually. I'm almost done. Actually, done, but I'll use one more color. We're done. Thank you for watching.